So we're back with Dr.Halligan. She is the Chief Veterinarian Officer of the Lucy Pet Foundation. We're talking about the hidden dangers of cat litter. We're going to talk about
Dr. Halligan, why do you say that cat litter is so dangerous, not to just the kitties, but to us as well?
Well, you guys have walked into someone's home and you smell stinky. It's cats, right?
Yeah.
And it's almost embarrassing. But cats are clean animals. It's not their fault. What you're smelling is toxic ammonia fumes from the litter box. Now, cats have a 14 times greater sense of smell than we do. And the big reason why they're turned into the shelter is because they don't want to use the litter box. That's the #1 reason. Here's a good analogy. Let's talk about a porta potty. Right? Everybody's gone to a carnival, you've walked in, you open that door and you're like,
oh, it's disgusting.
I'm not going in there. Well, that's what the cats think. So their litter box is essentially their porta potty that we're asking them to go in 2 to 3 times a day.
So wait a minute, you say that their sense of smell is 14 times greater than ours.
Yes.
So even if we can't smell it, they can certainly smell it.
Absolutely, and they're not going to go in there. In the wild, they would go into other places. And those ammonia fumes are so toxic. I mean, I got a little bit in my eye earlier.
We saw.
Look, and it causes upper respiratory problems. It can even trigger an asthma attack in both cats and people.
Wow.
Yes, and even if you're scooping every day, you're still going to have some residual and some ammonia in the litter box. Now, I have a graph here that I want to show you that's because the ammonia is so dangerous, a group of scientists created this graph, and on the left, little science, that's parts per million. Because ammonia is a colorless gas, you have to measure the amount that's on the side, and on the bottom is the number of days. Now look at how much ammonia is coming off the graph. It's coming up. It's dangerous at level 6. Now let's go to the next graph. Look at wheat and corn litter are some of the worst. Now, do you notice the blue bar?
Yes.
At the bottom. With
It's
the red
circled.
circle
What
around
level? It is at 0.
Yeah.
That is Lucy Pet's Cat's Incredible Litter with breakthrough technology that will prevent the ammonia from ever forming in the litter box. So I looked at this.
That is incredible.
No, it's incredible. So I'm like, you know what? I need to prove this to myself. So I bought this scientific device.
Okay.
This is an ammonia gas detector.
All right.
And it's reading 0, right? Because there is no ammonia. So this is
a bottle of
yeah,
ammonia
this is
that
what
you
I got in my eye. Ugh. And so what it's going to do is that little membrane there is going to pick up. I turned the alarm off because
Just the smell.
Yes. All right.
Wow.
So look
Did
at
that
it
go up?
right away.
Very
All right. So
quickly.
then I wanted to do an experiment. So let's roll the tape. So I took a popular litter. And I measured the amount of 5-day-old used litter box. Look at the ammonia, right? When it over 6, it's toxic. Look at that. It went.
Wow. Over 6?
And it's, look, it's going up.
Do you know how high that got? 34.5.
Oh my goodness.
And the poor cat stopped using the litter box. It was so sad.
Well, plus it's in a little chamber. Everything is
Yes.
enclosed.
Well, people use this to keep it from getting all over the house. Then I took. This is a 5-day-old used Cat's Incredible litter box, all right?
Okay.
So I'm going to do the same thing, all right?
Clear that.
And by the
We're gonna
way,
try to
the ammonia is not in the litter, it's the
No,
combination.
yes, we should explain that, right? Most people don't realize that.
It's gotta go down. We
Yes,
need to give
it's
it a
going
second.
down. What happens is that the cat urine mixes with bacteria in the litter box to create the ammonia. Cat urine only has a little bit of ammonia in it. It's all being created inside the litter box. And
So
in
it's
the
like the perfect storm.
it's
the
a
litter,
perfect storm.
it's the urine.
Because you guys,
it's
where do you
the
think
bacteria.
cats would go in the wild? Where do they
Out
go?
in the grass,
They don't
everywhere.
have a litter box. Oh, there's my spot. I got to go in that spot again. No.
You show us this very quickly. This is, you say you see a number of cats with
I've been
respiratory
able to
problems.
take cats off antihistamines and also antibiotics because they've been using Cat's Incredible. Okay, here it is, you guys.
The
We're
test.
putting this in there. All right. Now we're going to see. Now that little membrane, it's going to pick it up right away. All right. This is a 5-day-old used Cat's Incredible litter box.
Not moving.
Look at, and
It's zero.
you know what? I could stay here all day for 10 days, and it's incredible, you guys. No ammonia. It's really a game changer, and we're hoping that cats are going to get adopted because people don't want to deal with the smell.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.